Okay, familia, this recipe is so delicious and you only need to focus on three things: the oven, the sauce, and the crust. We have crispy, hot, honey, oven crusted chicken. Check it out. Okay, so for this supreme of chicken, or suprema de pollo, we're going to need for the crust, cornflakes. We're gonna put everything in a food processor. Parmesan cheese, Reggiano, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, hot sauce. Since we're gonna do a breading procedure, I just wanna make sure that I put everything on a tray so the chicken has a space to be breaded. Okay, and we're also going to need eggs beaten, also in a tray, so now we're gonna be able to do the breading procedure. Okay guys, and the last part, of course, we're gonna need a sheet tray with a rack. If you have a parchment paper in the bottom will be better. And of course our chicken breast, what I did is I butterfly it so the breast is a little thinner and will cook faster.
Chef, why are we doing the standard breading procedure different this time?
Okay, usually the standard breading procedure takes flour sometimes. In this case, we want to keep it gluten-free, so that's why we're skipping the flour. But we're going to do in this case double breading, which check it out how we're going to do it. My breast of chicken with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay. Usually I keep one hand wet and the other one dry. So let's say this is the wet one. So now with my wet hand, I place the chicken, then I pass it to the cornflakes. With my dry hand, we cover it up, making sure to press the crust. See, so we still have some pieces here. So what I like to do is shake, go back to my wet hand, do a little bit more of the egg mixture, and then go back with my dry hand to the second breading. This is perfect. Now I press, making sure the entire chicken is covered. Now what I like to do here is I like to take a little spray extra virgin olive oil. Okay, I'm gonna take my chicken. Perfect, this is beautiful. I want you to see that crust. Look at that, okay? And I'm gonna place it, okay? Then what I like to do also, so it creates a little bit of a golden brown, just shower it with a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to a 400-degree oven, 415, 420, depending on your oven, and we're gonna cook it for about 10-15 minutes until the internal temperature of the chicken is 165 Fahrenheit. Okay, now we're gonna make the hot sauce in a saucepan. So we have the honey, we have the hot sauce, and now we have the spices, right? We have chili powder, we have paprika, we have garlic powder, and onion powder. And we make sure that all these ingredients are completely incorporated.